Hey, and welcome to a tutorial video on how to use Premiere Videos with Rumble Studio. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Rumble account by going to studio.rumble.com. From here, you're going to select Premiere Video. You can choose from a pre-existing template or you can select Skip to start from scratch. The first thing I like to do is select my destinations in which I'm going to live stream to. So here, I'll select Rumble and Locals, and I'll choose which channel I want to stream to. Then we're going to upload the video that's going to play at the start time of our live stream. While that loads, we can upload a thumbnail. You can also choose a placeholder video. So a placeholder video will play on a loop as your stream is ready to premiere. If you'd like to see a countdown, don't upload a placeholder video. We'll then title our stream, give it a description, and choose when we want to go live. On the next page, it'll refresh. Oh, I didn't choose far enough in advance. Not paying attention to the chat. So now we have this scheduled. Here, we can now go to our Rumble channel. So by going to rumble.com and navigating to our channel, we'll see that it now says live. If I select this video, it's just taking a moment to upload. While we wait for that, we'll come back to Rumble Studio and give it a refresh. You'll see it says that you're live. This is because it's either going to now display the countdown to the time of your live stream starting, or it's going to play that pre-video loop on repeat until the start of the live stream at 3:45 p.m. Let's go back to our channel and take a look. And now we'll see the countdown begin. So we have 5 minutes and 40 seconds and some change before our live stream starts. And this is what users will see as well upon the video playback. So this entire countdown will be included in your final video. So here's an example of what a pre-video loop will do on a Premiere video. You'll see it play over and over until the start of the live stream versus your stream countdown without a Premiere video. So if we go and check our stream here, we should be live any second now. And we'll see this pre-video stop. We'll just give it a refresh. And now our main video is playing. And when it's done, the stream will end within your studio. And that's it. That's all you need to know in order to stream using Premiere on Rumble Studio.